Okay, so today I was out in the yard and I'm trying to propagate some more hydrangeas. I just wanted to show you, cut this off. And you can see where the old growth is and the new growth, just by the color. And then you can just cut the dead part off. And then what I'm gonna do is cut these at the bottom, like on an angle. And I'm going to take the leaves off. And then I'm going to hope it re-roots. Take all the new growth off. We're hoping we're going to root it. Cut the leaves. Okay. And then I'm going to put one in soil without anything else, and then one with a rooting hormone. Okay, it's garden safe. I think it was $5 for the whole thing. But anyways, I'm going to dip it in there and then put it in the dirt and then see which one roots the quickest.